Operating a Phillips head screwdriver seems basic until you strip your first screw. Let me show you the proper technique. First, identify a Phillips head screw. It has a cross-shaped indentation with 4 points. Select the correct size driver. Size 2 fits most household screws. The driver should fit snugly with no wiggle. Insert the driver tip fully into the screw head. Push straight down with firm pressure. This is critical. Turn clockwise to tighten, counterclockwise to loosen. Keep constant downward pressure throughout the entire rotation. Most people strip screws because they do not push down hard enough while turning. The driver slips out and damages the screw head. Push down first, then turn. For stuck screws, increase downward pressure before twisting harder. Pushing harder keeps the driver seated. Twisting harder without pushing just strips the screw. Ready to master the basics? Subscribe to Fast Forward Fix now.